So, nandito kami sa Mind Museum. Hindi pala ako naka-makeup kasi magko-color analysis ako mamaya.
Diba? Naiinis ako eh. Asan dito? Ayun na!
So, ayun ako. Dalawang picture na submit ko yun yung isang. Ayan na. Inaantay lang namin sila matapos. Dito sa may Galaxy Kinemerald. Parang papel. Sino ang gutom?
Grabe yun sa gutom.
Maliit lang yun eh.
Saka mo sa dito. Sorry ma. Baby naman yung ano mo.
Nilinis tayo kasi wala tayong masamay. Ayan, kita nyo naman ang kalat. Ito pa lang yung nalilinis ko. Yan pa lang. Ayan, yung bangs ko bungi pa din kasi hindi pa ako naliligo.
They're not moving. They're sick. They're not talking. No noise. Nobody else is eating. They're just sitting like this, staring at each other. And Sarah can't stop eating her food. Her mom is sitting there, secretly watching her. Sarah,
Gaan lang.
you're eating too much.
Paano pa hawakan?
Okay
Okay lang din sa ano, kung mahigpit yung bowl, sa bowl. Ang sakit kasi yung ilalim niya, ang sakit sa daliri.
How come you never call? Another penny. How come you never see me anymore? Another penny. How come you don't love me anymore?
Oh my God, di ba? Masakit sa daliri. Oh my God, that's bunnies.
Gasping for air. And her bed looks like a crime. She has thrown up blood everywhere. Which when you think about
General
it,
cleaning.
honestly, that whole movie proves genius. The fact that she's eating pennies because blood tastes like metal.
Oh, that's very smart. Very scenarios.
So she was eating pennies. It was a taste of blood. She threw up blood in her sleep. And what's crazy is that Sarah's not even alarmed. She just throws her sheets in the lawn. And she knows what she has. And I don't think she knows either. Listen, there's it's wrong. It's but while they're running the test, Sarah has to in the emergency room. She calls Peter to ask if they react. Well, Peter is like smiling over a text message. He just stops talking in the middle of his conversation and is smiling.
What?
So Sarah, being my type of girl, is like, who just texted you? Oh, it's just Sam. We went out to dinner and he got super drunk, so I sent him home in a text. It's like months in advance. The longer that you have with your replacement, the better it will be. So learning is fun in my life. The more time they spend learning, the ad ends is, you may be dying. So don't let it affect her. I love you. And she wants to scream, yeah, because at the tip of her tongue, when she's the
Sit. 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 Ay, sit. Sit muna. Sit. No. Sit. 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 Stay. 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 No. Sit. Sit. Ay! Sit. No. Sit. Rings na to. Sit. No. No. Stay. 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 Sit ha. Sit. 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 Go. Go. And so, for today's video, nakaayos ako dahil may tinest akong foundation, which is yung sa Easy na active foundation. So, check natin if mag-oily ba ako dito para alam ko yung gagamitin kong foundation pag nagpunta kami ng Singapore. So, let's see. Ayan. Ayan siya sa skin ko. Habang itetest natin yung foundation natin is mag-unbox tayo ng package from Henry's. Ta-da!